What does it take to keep the largest training fleet in the world airworthy? Let's find out as we go behind the scenes at ATP Flight School. ATP operates the largest standardized training fleet, supported by a nationwide network of ATP-owned maintenance bases. Each one exists for a single purpose: to keep ATP aircraft flying safely and students on schedule.
Our maintenance team is a very experienced group, some with 20-plus years experience here at ATP. This allows us to stay on top of those maintenance tasks and actually do them ahead of schedule most of the time.
While smaller schools send airplanes to outside shops, ATP does everything in-house. Skilled aviation maintenance technicians, many with decades of experience, work full-time in ATP facilities. Their job is to make sure every airplane meets ATP standards for safety and reliability, standards that go well beyond FAA requirements.
Our experienced maintenance team knows exactly what our airplanes need and when they need it. Our compliance tracking software allows us to complete these events before their designated date. Therefore, the fleet remains available to fly.
Inside each maintenance center, ATP invests heavily in keeping engines, propellers, avionics, and other key parts stocked on site.
We utilize a robust parts tracking system along with part stocking. This allows us to get the part to the airplane so that it can be repaired quickly.
No airplane ever waits for a part. That means inspections and repairs happen quickly, and students stay on track with their training. Before a plane leaves the ground, predictive maintenance systems monitor aircraft and flag potential issues early. It's a proactive approach that catches small problems before they become big ones, keeping every plane airworthy and ready for the next lesson. That same mindset drives ATP's investment in modernization.
ATP is currently replacing conventional instrument panels with solid-state, electronic Garmin GTN 650Xi GPS comms and Garmin G5 indicators. This enhances reliability and navigation and situational awareness.
At many schools, when one aircraft goes in for maintenance, that's one less airplane available for training. But ATP's nationwide network allows aircraft to be repositioned between training centers as needed. When one airplane goes into maintenance at ATP, another freshly inspected and serviced aircraft takes its place, keeping lessons on schedule and check rides on time. This network of resources, powered by predictive technology, modern equipment, and experienced technicians, is what makes ATP's fleet the most trusted. From nationwide maintenance centers to proactive fleet upgrades, it's easy to see how ATP keeps its fleet safe, reliable, and ready for training. Join me on another episode as we go behind the scenes at ATP.